Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can restore already closed tabs in the DuckDuckGo web browser in 2026 on desktop computer or laptop. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch DuckDuckGo. I will go with DuckDuckGo on my desktop computer, and here let me close this tab for demonstration purposes by clicking into that X button. Now, as you can see, it has disappeared. So what you need to do, guys, is click into that space here where no tabs are open and select reopen last closed tab. And that is going to reinstate the closed tab. And even in the same position here in these tabs, as you can see, it has been positioned right between these two tabs where it was last seen, not here on the right hand side. That's one option, of course. The other way would be to access your browsing history, for example, by clicking into or hovering mouse into history, and to go through the recently visited tabs to reinstate these, or to go through the entire history to restore a tab, for example, that was open, I don't know, quite a while ago in your browser. So you can do that as well, of course. So that's the options you have here on DuckDuckGo in 2026. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.